The group's story begins in the 1950s, when Luigi Nocivelli transforms his father's workshop into a leader company in the household appliance sector, up until 2003, when Epta is founded, an evocative name that pays homage to his 7 children. Today, the baton has been passed on to Marco Nocivelli, who continues to guide the group in keeping with his father's example. The group's values are order, humility, delegation, resilience. The group offers a complete range of solutions for commercial refrigeration. Intended for retail, food and beverages, hotels, catering and restaurants. The 11 production units reach a total of 330,000 square meters and are located worldwide. The Italian establishments extend over 179,000 square meters, divided between the Milan headquarters and the establishments in Casale Monferrato, Limana, Solesino and Pomezia. The Epta Group recorded a turnover of €958 million in 2019, thanks to the work of the 6,000 employees worldwide, which allowed the production of over 230,000 units per year. Epta guarantees a complete offer, which envisions design, production, installation and pre- and after-sales services. Innovation is the core of Epta. In the last 3 years, €125 million have been invested in technologies to support growth, thanks to the contribution of more than 200 people. Life Carbon for retail refrigeration stands out among the special projects. It is co-funded by the European Union to promote the spread of natural solutions for retail, and in particular the FTE, Full Transcritical Efficiency System, a very high-efficiency, natural CO2 refrigeration plant. Sustainability is also a priority of Epta, as the Corporate Social Responsibility Report, published since 2012 and certified by the TÜV Austria Group, shows. All of these aspects contribute to making Epta a specialized and well-known group in the sector in which it operates.